Alright guys, welcome back to Half-Fast 719. I am in the process of pulling the differential out in the Audi. Get to use my new Craftsman V series. Supposedly 90 tooth, or 96 tooth, but anyway. Pulled most of it out, pulled the axle out, pulled the shields out. Everything looks really clean under here. Although it has been out multiple times. Fluid looks really clean. Can't really see it, but one thing you need to do before you go too far is you gotta pull this stub shaft out. So stick axle bolts back in there, one on either side, one over there, one over there. Pull it out equally, or tighten them equally, and go from there. I'm gonna crack these loose. Crack all these bolts, these T40s loose. You can just take them all off. They say that they're all different sizes, but I don't think they are. Anyway, I'm gonna grab some axle bolts, get this little stub shaft out. My stub shaft does have less than 40,000, 50,000 miles on it. And I just want to take this out, see what it looks like in here, because I don't know what all the noises when I turn. Hoping it's I hope it's not in there, but I hope it is in there. I'm seeing some cracking on these bushings here. I don't think that would be making the noise. This bushing looks like it's seen better days. But anyway, it makes a CV axle noise, just so you guys know. Like when you turn, clunk, 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 clunk. But I'm hoping I don't see any rubbing, like metal on metal here, or anything down on this lower one to make it seem like this whole front was like pivoting and clunking. So I don't know. Draining fluid, doesn't look like there's any material in that fluid. So anyway, let me get this stub shaft out, and that way, because if this stub shaft isn't out, I guess I can explain it. If this stub shaft isn't out and you don't pull this out first, you can't get this cover and the differential out. So in order for it all to fit in here, you pull the stub shaft out, then the cover can come out, but just watch your fingers. Cover can come out, then you can slide your differential out. Whereas if it's the stub shaft's attached, this is not going to come out no matter where you put it. Trust me, I tried. Maybe if you disconnect these lines, but nothing's going to come out. So anyway, let me pull it out, drop it down, and we'll see how it is, and go from there. So I'll be back. Alright guys, bad news. Bad news. Got it all out. Got the stub shaft out. Pretty much still looks brand new. No wear. just a little bit. Alright, here's the bad news. Can't find anything wrong with it. Everything looks good. Gears inside there. Grab a flashlight. Let's grab a flashlight. Gears inside there look good, or the teeth, I mean. Everything looks really good. The fluid was really clean. So I have no clue. This is a used one. These bearings will probably need replaced. I'm actually gonna send this one back because it's not even for my car. This has 34 teeth. This has 35 teeth. So I'm gonna see if I can't return this one. Not to mention it's gross. This was about 4 squirt bottles. My lens broken again. It's about 4 squirt bottles of Purple Power, and still horrible. So inside here, the race looks really good. I did seal these races in with some Loctite 605 or 305. I can't remember what it is, but barely anything. There's no sparkles, no metal, nothing. I mean, really clean. Those are the marks you get for taking the things off. But I did use a RTV to seal it, so I'll have to clean that. The gears inside of here. Be hard to see, holding it like this. The gears inside here look really good. Not sharp. There's like almost zero play. This is what I thought was wrong. I mean, barely. There's like zero backlash. So I don't know. No clue. No clue what's going on inside this transmission deal. Yep. That's where I'm at. Gears look really good. The teeth. Those look like factory machining. Still. I don't know. Let's see if I can't return that one. So let's go look inside. Oh, I'm gonna test some ball joints and what have you. Keep in mind, this axle's rebuilt. New wheel bearing on this side. New wheel bearing on this side. That's a new axle. It got worse with the new axle. So, the fluid looked really clean. There was nothing in it. There is now, but there was nothing in it. This all looks really clean in there. Such a pain in the butt to do. Can't even do it. Gear. Still looks good. It doesn't have any play. Oh, man. So yeah, I don't know. I have no clue what the problem it is. No clue. Everything looks really good in here. So I'll probably take the passenger side out, axle and everything out, and check that. Right now I just want to check, see if if there's just excessive play on these arms, and that could be what was causing it. But I mean, there's play, but nothing I think that would cause it to make all that noise. I mean, there's play, but this whole thing would have to be out of whack in order for it to make the noise it was making. Because it's literally a clunk, 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 like an axle clunk. But man, that front differential looks really good. Bearings are wearing good. I'm almost tempted to stick it back in there, clean it up, stick it back in there. Because I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. That race is in there. Should be glued in there as well. Unless it's that bearing or the other bearing on the outside. But all the noise is coming on this side. Anyway, I guess to be continued. Let's figure something out. I'll let you guys know. Keep you guys posted, because I want to know, because I'm about to pull this whole engine and transmission out, and I don't want to if I don't have to. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Keep being you. Later.